Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 10 packing items for a cruise. The best part is all these items are less than $12, so they are super affordable, so you can get your Amazon shopping on after this video. I will post the links to all the items below and I hope you enjoy it. So having sunscreen on a cruise is a necessity. I love this Sunbum brand. It's only $10.99 on Amazon and it is biodegradable and free of a bunch of chemicals, so we love it. In the Caribbean, you're supposed to use biodegradable to preserve the coral reefs, so that's why we choose this one, and it smells amazing. It's 50 SPF and you get 6 fluid ounces. Highly recommend it. The next item that I always bring on cruises with us are towel clips. These are Boca clips and I got these off of Amazon. They were less than $6. They are really heavy duty. I know you can find all kinds of towel clips on Amazon, and last year we did bring some cheaper ones. However, these ones seem like they will last longer and I just couldn't pass up the design of them. They look like little tiki drinks and I just love them. So highly recommend these. It can get very windy on the Lido deck, so this just keeps your towel in place. Next up, I have Bo9. This is a necessity for me. I got really sick on our first cruise, so now I take this every time. I take normally a tablet before bed 2 days before the cruise and then every day on the cruise, and it has never failed me. It's just a precaution that I take just so that I know I'm not gonna get sick. My next item is a reusable cup. The disposable cups that you get in the buffet are small, and this just allows me to fill up less times during the day and carry it around. I like that it keeps everything cold. I put a little decal on it that says "You, Me, and the Sea," Sarah and Bryce. I really like this one because it has a straw, but you can get reusable cups anywhere. I got this one at Walmart for $8. I'm sure you have some at home that you could use, but I suggest packing one just so that you can carry around your drink around the ship. Next up, I have a passport holder. I really like the design of this one. I really wanted one that had a zipper so that everything would stay inside instead of just a fold. On the inside, it does hold multiple passports. That way I didn't have to buy multiples. Also, I have our boarding pass in here. Credit cards will go here and cash will go in here for when we get off the ship. This one varies in price based on the design that you choose, but they do start at around $11.99, I believe, so not too bad, will last a while, and really cute. Next, you can never have too much Poo-Pourri. Staterooms are small. I think this is self-explanatory. It can get smelly if you have your husband in the bathroom. So here is Poo-Pourri. It runs about $8.71, I believe, on Amazon. So pretty affordable. It's a pretty good size. We will take it home with us after the cruise and continue using it. Favorite items to bring is an outlet extender. This is a single plug one, so it saves room and it holds 3 plugs. There are hardly any outlets in staterooms, so if you have hair tools or lots of things that you need to charge, I would highly recommend bringing one of these. This is super cheap, less than $3 on Amazon, and I highly recommend bringing one. Next up, I have lanyards. These are a really great thing to have to clip your sign and sell card on. This way they never get lost. We just keep them in our room, and then every time we leave, put them on us and take them. They're easy to show the crew members whenever you're purchasing something. I got the kind that goes around my neck. My husband prefers the kind that he can clip onto his backpack or clothing. You can get these for $1 at the dollar store, so you can't afford not to buy them. Next up, I got these water shoes. I got these on Amazon. They are right at $12, and I absolutely love them. When you have them on, they look like socks, and they are so comfortable. Mine are out of the package because I've actually worn them. They have great soles on the bottom. A lot of the beaches in the Caribbean aren't necessarily the softest, so they're just great to have just in case. I love that it comes with a case to put them in once we are done. They are thin, so they fit nicely into a suitcase, and I just think they're great to have. Alright, the last item I have is another dollar item that you can get at your dollar store. It's a nightlight. There's limited lighting in your stateroom, so it's just great to have a nightlight, especially for getting up and going to the bathroom in the middle of the night. I like this one because it stays plugged in and lights up when it gets dark. So there they are. Those are my top 10 packing essential items for a cruise. I would love to hear what you guys pack that you think is an essential. I'm always looking for new things to buy on Amazon, and I would love to take them on our next cruise. So let me know. I would love if you gave this video a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, I have more videos coming out soon. I would love for you to be part of that. And thanks for watching. Bye.